Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to set up the Instacart Shopper app. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, download the Instacart app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the Instacart app on your mobile phone. You have to choose your account type, whether personal or business. Tap on the sign up button to start creating your Instacart account. You can start the procedure with your phone number. You can choose another method or continue with Google. You can see which stores are available or add the address or zip code in the bar. After entering the address code, select the address. You can see which stores are available by adding the address or postal code in the bar. You can get unlimited free delivery for 2 weeks with a $0 delivery fee, 5% cashback, $99 per year after trial, and more. Tap on Try It Free for 2 weeks to get it free, and your homepage will open. You will find a variety of products you can buy from the Instacart app. To add products to your cart to buy, tap on the plus icon. You can view the cart by simply tapping on the View Cart option. Turn on the option, make this order a gift. After this, confirm your products and do the payment procedure. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.